Hi guys, we are going to be looking at the color of indicators themselves and the color in acids and bases. So here we have phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein appears to be a very faint pink color indicator. The color is so faint that it is not even visible when we pour it onto a white tile. So now what we are going to do, we are going to be adding the same indicator to HCl, which is a strong acid, and some of it to NaOH, which is a strong base. So here we have phenolphthalein being added to a few drops of HCl, and as you can see, phenolphthalein remains colorless in acids. Next we add phenolphthalein to NaOH, and as soon as we add phenolphthalein to NaOH, the color quickly changes to pink. So we have the results of the color changes for the indicator phenolphthalein. It has a very faint pink appearance, it has a colorless appearance in acids, and a pink colored appearance in bases.